Don't get caught with egg on your face when you're planning a delicious appetizer. All you need are a couple of hard-boiled eggs, a couple of simple ingredients, and you have the best canapes, or little apps, deviled eggs. The thing I love about deviled eggs is they're really a crowd pleaser. You can garnish them with chives, dill, bacon crumbles, but I wanted to give you the most basic recipe. As you can see, they look great. They're not perfect because we're not perfect. We're just happy food people. Enjoy. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.